Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 11. Having established a firm seat of his own in a clean spot, neither too high nor too low, made of a cloth, a skin, and kusha grass, one over the other.
Chapter 6, Shloka 11. Shuchau deshe pratisthapya stiram asanam atmanah natyuchritam nati nicham chailajina kushottaram.
Chapter 6, Shloka 11. From this Shloka onwards, we have Lord's instructions for the meditator, how to sit, eat, recreate, and the like, which are all aids to meditation. The object of meditation is to gain tranquility and equal vision. Lord begins by explaining the position, the means, and the ends of a meditator at work. First, the seat and the place for perfect meditation. Mind is affected by the external conditions, so a clean outer place can be helpful for maintaining a cleaner mental condition. If there are insects, then they can cause a disturbance in the mind which he is trying to concentrate. We have to steady the mind so the body should be firm in its seat without any movement. To keep the mind free, for if there is any swinging movement, our mind follows and gets disturbed by the motion. In order to get established in a firm posture, any comfortable seat with a maximum base can be taken with vertebrate column erect, fingers interlocked, and hands thrown in the front. The seat should not be too high to safeguard against any sense of insecurity, or too low in a cellar to keep any dampness affecting the body. As during meditation, the blood pressure and our resistance becomes low, and there is a greater chance developing pains in the joints. To avoid any chance of dampness during long meditations, a perfect seat of kusha grass, an animal skin, and a piece of cloth over it are given. After the detailed instructions about the seat, what the meditator is to do mentally and intellectually are given in the following shloka. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.